Hey everybody, this is Chad with Vibe Golf Carts, and today is another beautiful Saturday. I'm actually going to bring you along with me today. We've got a couple deliveries here. Beautiful Blue Falcon going out, and then we have a Chameleon Apollo. A couple software updates we need to perform. Some mobile service, golf bag holder needs to be installed. Somebody wants spacers, so I'm gonna bring you guys along with me, show you what the day is like. So we just fueled up, got my mean bean. We are on our way to St. Cloud. We got a couple stops there, 2 or 3 stops in the villages. Then I think we're on our way back to Melbourne, where we've got a couple more things to do. Alrighty guys, pulling up to the first house. We are doing an update here and wheel spacers. How's it going, buddy? Yeah, still doing good. 30 seconds.
Then the laptop took a dump on us.
Program's down to completed. Technically, yeah, exact thing. Alrighty guys, we're pulling up to the next location. How's it going? I passed you. Yeah. For freight's all over the place. Alright guys, so we just wrapped up our second stop in St. Cloud. We are on our way to the villages. I will see you guys then. Alrighty guys, we are arriving at the next stop. I'm gonna park along here because I don't want to block the road. Should only be here like 10 minutes. How's it going, man?
Oh, it's the second one.
Yeah, if you want to fork out the change for it. Just did our first stop in the villages. Update on a customer's Dodge Apollo. We are about 10 minutes out from our next stop in the villages, and that is actually the delivery of the Falcon that's on the back. So I will catch up with you guys when we get to that drop point. Just wrapped up at our 4th stop, I think, in the villages. That was a quick golf cart delivery. Customer is happy. Got a nice, beautiful Blue Falcon, and we are headed to our next stop, which is also in the villages, and that is for a golf bag holder. See you guys there. Alrighty guys, just arrived at the 4th, 5th, 6th location? I don't know. We're in the villages. Alrighty, so just wrapped up the golf bag install on our customer's Falcon, and now I'm headed back to Melbourne. I think it's roughly a 2-hour drive, so I'll touch base with you guys when I get back to town. See ya. Alrighty everyone, so we have made it back to Melbourne. I'm gonna go get dinner. You know, we had a pretty productive day, a lot of happy customers, everyone's satisfied, a lot of people got their updates, got their accessories installed. We made 2 deliveries today, they're super happy. So it was a good day. Just another day, 5 golf carts, running around taking care of our customers, making sure everyone's happy. So yeah, so I'm gonna sign off, and until next time, see ya.